Do you wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do you feel hungry again just 1 hour after eating? And do your legs feel weak, your body heavy, and your mind slow for no clear reason? If this sounds familiar, stop scrolling right now. Because what you're experiencing is not normal aging, not laziness, and not just stress. There is a hidden daily problem inside your body that most people never hear about. It's called the blood sugar pendulum effect. And once you understand this, you'll finally know why your energy goes up and down every single day. Think about a pendulum swinging left and right. That's exactly what your blood sugar is doing inside your body. It rises too fast, then crashes too low, then rises again. Every swing makes you feel more tired, more hungry, and more weak. Most people don't feel this happening. They only feel the results. Morning tiredness, afternoon crashes, strong cravings, weak legs, low motivation, and they think something is wrong with them. Your body's fuel system is out of balance. Let's talk about how this starts. Most days begin the same way. You wake up already low on energy, so you grab something quick to eat or drink, maybe sweet tea or coffee, maybe white bread, cereal, juice, or biscuits. Within minutes, sugar rushes into your blood. Your blood sugar shoots up fast. For a short time, you feel better, more awake, more alive. But this feeling doesn't last. Your body releases insulin to push that sugar out of your blood, and it pushes too much, too fast. Suddenly, your blood sugar drops lower than normal. That's when you feel it. Sudden hunger, heavy legs, shaky hands, brain fog, mood changes. Your body panics and sends a strong signal to your brain. Eat again, now. This is not weak willpower. This is survival chemistry, so you snack again. And the pendulum swings again. Up, down, up, down, all day long. This is why some people feel hungry even after eating. This is why you can eat enough food and still feel weak. This is why coffee stops working. And this is why sugar cravings feel uncontrollable. The more the pendulum swings, the worse it gets. Coffee gives a short boost, then a harder crash. Sugar gives quick energy, then deeper fatigue. Over time, your body forgets how to feel stable. And this problem is very common in people over 40 and especially over 60. As we age, our blood sugar control becomes slower. Our muscles use less sugar, and our bodies react more strongly to fast carbs. But no one explains this clearly. Most people are told, just eat less sugar, but that doesn't fix the pendulum, because the real issue is not sugar alone. It's speed and imbalance. Now here's something very important. If you only understand the problem, nothing changes. But if you understand the daily habits that stop this pendulum, everything changes. So stay with me, because the last habit is the one most people ignore, and it's the reason they stay tired for years. Now we talk about solutions, not extreme diets, not expensive supplements, and not starving yourself. Stop the blood sugar from swinging too high and too low. The first change is how you eat. Fast sugar creates fast crashes, so meals must slow sugar down. Every time you eat, your body needs support. Protein slows digestion. Healthy fats keep energy steady. Fiber smooths the release of sugar. When meals include these, sugar enters the blood slowly. No spike, no crash. That means longer energy, less hunger, and fewer cravings. One very important rule is to stop eating naked carbs. Naked carbs are carbs eaten alone, like fruit alone, bread alone, rice alone. These hit your blood too fast. When carbs are paired with protein or fat, the pendulum calms down. Another powerful change is timing. Skipping meals may sound healthy, but for unstable blood sugar, it makes things worse. Long gaps cause sugar to drop too low. Then the next meal spikes it too high. Your body loves rhythm. Eating meals at similar times every day trains your system to stay calm. Now let's talk about movement. You don't need intense workouts. A short walk after eating is one of the strongest tools you have. Even 5 to 10 minutes helps your muscles use sugar for energy. This prevents spikes and crashes. People who walk after meals often notice less sleepiness and fewer cravings. Evening habits matter more than people think. Late-night sugar keeps the pendulum swinging all night. That leads to tired mornings and strong cravings the next day. Lighter dinners and fewer sweets at night create better mornings automatically. Hydration also plays a role. When you're dehydrated, blood sugar becomes more concentrated. This increases fatigue and weakness. Small, regular sips of water through the day help stabilize energy. The habit that changes everything. Consistency. Blood sugar balance is not fixed in 1 day or 3 days. But when these habits are repeated daily, something powerful happens. After 1 week, crashes feel lighter. After 2 weeks, hunger becomes calmer. After 1 month, energy feels steady again. Most people quit too early. They expect instant results. But your body needs repeated signals to relearn balance. When the pendulum finally slows down, life feels different. You wake up with energy. You eat and stay full longer. Your legs feel stronger. Your mind feels clearer. People often say, "I finally feel normal again." Your body was never broken. It was just swinging too hard. If you feel tired and hungry every day, don't blame yourself. Blame the imbalance. Start small, stay steady, and give your body time to stabilize. If this made sense to you, stay connected. There's more coming that can change how you feel every day. Remember this one line: energy is not about eating more. Energy is about keeping balance. See you in the next video.